What is market segmentation and what are the basis of market segmentation? At para malaman yan, panoorin mo lang ang video na to. Pero bago ang lahat, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo! In my classes in marketing as well as in entrepreneurship, lagi kong dinidiscuss yung importance ng pag-determine or pag-identify kung sino-sino ang target market mo or kung ano ang target market mo. One of the things na pwede mong gawin to identify your target market is by the use of market segmentation. Pero ano nga ba ang market segmentation? Ang market segmentation ay ang pagdidivide ng entire market into different or several groups. It means that dinidivide mo yung mga tao na may different characteristics and needs and putting them into different groups kung saan meron silang pagkakapareho. In marketing, iba yung ibig sabihin ng market. Pag sinabing market, this is a group of individuals whom you intend to sell your products and services for acquisition, consumption, and usage. So, ano-ano nga ba yung basis of market segmentation? Meron tayong 4 na basis of market segmentation. Number 1, demographic. Number 2, geographical. Pangatlo, psychographic. And the last one, behavioral. So, i-discuss natin isa-isa yung mga basis na yan. Kung ang basis mo ay geographical, pwede mong hatiin yung market according to the location, population, density, or even climate. Pag demographic naman yung ginamit mo na basis, so pwede mo silang hatiin according to their age, income, civil status, gender, education, profession, family organization, and religion. Pag psychographics naman yung ginamit mo sa pagdidivide ng market mo, so pwede mo silang hatiin according sa kanilang personal interest, such as family life, health, food, friends, or even according to their attitude. Kapag behavioral naman ang gagamitin mong basis for market segmentation, pwede mong hatiin yung market according to their behavior. Katulad ng gaano ba sila kadalas bumili? Gaano ba sila kadalas gumamit ng mga produkto o ng produkto na kanilang binibili? Yung loyalty nila doon sa mga brand ng mga products na ginagamit nila. Or even yung kanilang readiness to buy. So those are the 4 bases of market segmentation. I hope na nakatulong ang video na to sa'yo. At kung oo, please share mo naman ang video na to para mas marami pang matuto. Like mo na rin and of course, follow mo naman ako dito sa aking account. And that's all for today. Class dismissed.